Alright, you gotta check this out. This is the Walabot stud finder, and it's crazy, it's visual, it's on an app on your phone, and it actually works, guys. I was a little skeptical at first, but once I tried it myself, I found out that this thing actually does a really great job, so check this out. So first you connect the device to your phone, and then you want to put it against the wall. From there it's going to calibrate, and you're going to have to go in circles. You want to make it nice big circles that I found for it to work the best. After that, you can go ahead and start scanning. There are two modes. I prefer the visual mode, so you can find the studs in the wall. So check this out. So right there you can see, boom, just found a stud, and it even shows where the center of the stud is. Pretty amazing. Alright, I know what you're thinking, because I'm thinking the same thing. How do we know there's actually a stud there? So let's grab my utility knife and cut open the wall and see. You're cutting out drywall, so you don't make a mess. Here's a quick tip. All you need is a piece of paper and some painter's tape. Check it out. Just to avoid a mess like this, here we go. So you're gonna fold your paper like this. This is a super useful and simple tip that I learned from painting. All you need is painter's tape and a piece of paper, and you can use that so that if you're ever cutting out drywall or working with drywall, you don't get it all over the floor. It's way easier to clean up this way. And voila, all of the drywall dust is right in there and not on the floor. And here we go, here's the result. It actually shows the stud right where that stud is and shows the center of it right on point. I was pretty amazed. Walabot DIY 2 stud finder.